morning days. Last day of the class we have completed question number 5 and 6 was set to complete. Okay. Now we will be solving question number 7 and all today. The 7th number question, it says the sum of three rational numbers is 10. One of them is 4 and the other is 2 by 3 less than 4. Find the third rational number. Now first of all, sum of three numbers are sum of three rational numbers is equal to 10. One number is 4. Second number is 2 by 3 less than 4. So this will be 4 minus 2 by 3, or this gives you 12 minus 2 by 3 or 10 by 3. This is 2 by 3 less than 4. This is the second number we got. So the third rational number is equal to is equal to 10 minus 4 plus 10 by 3. Will it be sum of this two minus from the total sum? This gives you 10 minus 12 plus 10 by 3, or 10 minus 22 by 3, or 30 minus 22 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3 is the third number. Please write it. We had sum of three numbers, then we had two numbers given to us, and then we have got the third number. Okay. Question number 8, it says what should be subtracted from the sum of 5 whole 3 by 8 and minus 13 by 12 to get 2. From the sum of first two rational numbers, we have to subtract a rational number. So the answer should be 2. Hope you have written question number 7. We'll go to question number 8. Is it? Now question number 8, it says let the required number be x. So according to the question, we have a first number 5 whole 3 by 8 plus minus 13 by 12 minus x is equal to 2. This is the question we have. From this, what should be subtracted from the sum of these two numbers to get 2? So I have taken let the required number be x. So from the sum of these two numbers, I am subtracting x. So the answer would be 2. Now what we have to do? We have to solve it. 8 5s are 40 and 3. 43 by 8 plus minus 13 by 12. Is it? Minus x is equal to 2. 12 and 8 LCM is 24. 8 3s are, so 43 3s are 129 minus 12 2s are, so 13 2s are 26 minus x is equal to 2, or 103 by 24 minus x is equal to 2, or minus x is equal to 2 minus, if it goes right side, it will be minus 103 by 24. Minus x is equal to 48 minus 103 by 24. Minus x is equal to minus 13 minus 8, 4, 9 minus 4, 5, minus 55 by 24. Now minus sign I can cancel. x is equal to 55 by 24. So the required number is equal to 55 by 24. Please write it. You can convert into mixed fraction. Then we have question number 9. Here it says Pankaj walked from his home 3 kilometer to the east. Then he walked towards west 3 by 10 kilometer. How far is he from his home now? Now you know if he is moving towards east, that will be represented with plus digit or plus rational number, and when he is moving towards west, so it will be negative, is it? Towards east it is positive on number line, and towards west it is negative on number line. Okay, now you see first he is moving towards east 3/4/5, then he is coming back 3/10. So how much far he is from his home? So we have to subtract it, is it? Just see question number 9. If this is the home of Rahul, no, Pankaj, he is moving towards where? East. He moved towards east because we know we have east right side of the number line, that is 3/4 till here it is 3/4/5 kilometers. Clear? Again he is moving towards west, that is 1/3/10 kilometers. Means this distance is 1/3/10 kilometers, and this distance is 3/4/5 kilometers. This is his home. He moved 3/4 kilometers, 3/4/5 kilometers towards east. Again he is coming back 1/3/10 kilometers. So how far he is from his home? Still he is this much far, so that we have to find it. Okay. Narrate according to the question. Pankaj moves 3/4/5 kilometer towards east. Towards east. Always if this is east is this side and west is this side, is it? So east will be representing with positive digit and west will be representing with negative digit. Towards east, again he moves 1/3/10 kilometers towards west. So his final position is equal to 3/4/5 minus 1/3/10 kilometers. Now 5 3 are 15 plus 4, 19/5 minus 13/10 kilometers. Now LCM is 10, so 19 2s are 38 minus 13 kilometers. 25/10 for 2 whole 1 by 2 kilometers. Though the answer is positive, so it will be towards east. If it would be negative, then it would be towards west. But the answer is positive, so it would be towards east. Okay. So we have finished all the word sums from exercise 3C. I don't think there is any doubt related to this word sums. Still, if you face any type of difficulties, you can ask me in comment box. Okay, already you have my number. If there is any clarification, you can ask. Okay dear, keep practicing. Thank you.